National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Perry County in southeastern Missouri until 5:45 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kaufman, or 14 miles west of Perryville, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous. WWG49. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Perryville and St. Mary around 5:15 p.m. Chester around 5:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lithium. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 132 and 139. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following